Miguel Almiron, and believe it or not, he has fans here in Morocco. They love that special left leg, and yeah, we've been following obviously the World Cup qualifiers. Some of us are very happy, especially for you guys to make it to the World Cup again. But make no mistake, everybody respects Paraguay. We all know that the country, the football team is the mirror of the country, and it goes and it's valid for Morocco, for France, for everywhere, and for Paraguay also. We know that Paraguay is in the middle of those big South American nations, and in order to survive, it has to be very well organized and not take water from any side. So I think that reflects on the national team, no matter the era. And I think for that, people respect very much the team of Paraguay.